Court is calling 2025 CR 1562 State versus Rolando Gomez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Roger Pettis for Rolando Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have a motion to revoke, and Ms. Ferguson, if you can make sure that he has a reset form for December 18th. And you are here requesting a bond, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so he is on probation for burglary of a building, a state jail felony. It appears that you all have reached an agreement of $15,000, is that correct?
That's fine, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, Mr. Gomez, would you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. I just have a few questions to ask you, and it's related to your bond, not to the facts of this case. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so first, and these are yes or no questions. Do you have a place to live?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are you employed?
Disability exercise.
Okay. Now, my next question is, have you, since you've been placed on probation, have you had any type of mental health issues? Have you seen a doctor or psychiatrist?
No, Your Honor.
Have you been placed on any type of medications?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And have there been any alleged use of any type of drugs, be it marijuana or anything else?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
Right. Court will set your bond at $15,000. And the court is just following the agreement that you've reached with the state on that bond amount. And for the record, the court thinks that bond amount is appropriate. We will bring you back on December 15th. So you need to, I'm sorry, 18th. And you'll have to make sure that you're present on that day. It will be at 9 a.m. You will be given a reset form. So make sure that you're here and that you're on time.
Yes, Your Honor.
And as soon as this is put in the system and you've made bond, you'll be released from custody.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 010958 State versus Kenora Adams. And are you Miss Adams?
Yes.
All right, you previously been sworn in, and you were actually here on October 14th, 2025. There was a request to withdraw your plea, and you wanted a jury trial.
Yeah.
All right. And are you asking now to enter into a plea bargain agreement with the state?
Yes.
All right. You're charged with the offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. All right. Off the record for a moment. It says it's running concurrent with a PF case. Where is that?
It's in County Court 2.
Okay. And that's the correct cause number? All right. All right. And while the state is reviewing that, did you review the plea bargain page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine. There's no application for community supervision. This will run concurrent with 2025 PF 40428. Court is being informed by defense counsel. That's a county court cause number.
Yes, Judge, and that is the pre-file, but the filed case number will be 2025 CC 014365.
365. All right. So, and it's to run concurrent with 2025 CC 014365, which is also 2025 PF 40428. And the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 010957. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just asking for the burden.
All right, Ms. Adams, they're requesting a referral center for healthcare services. Have you ever been diagnosed in the past?
I've been diagnosed with depression through the military
Okay,
and anxiety, and I just recently had a baby, so postpartum.
okay, all right. So what branch did you serve in the military? Okay. I'm always wondering with the Navy, if you're on a submarine, I don't know if I'd be able to do that. So how long were you in the Navy?
7 years.
Okay. And do you have family support here?
No.
Right. Where is your family? Which state?
Illinois.
Do you want to transfer back to Illinois? Okay. No, if you want to transfer back to Illinois, we can do that. So are you 100% sure that's what you want to do?
It's up in the air. I have a house in Texas that I'm still trying to be able to do.
Okay. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Ms. Abrams, can you see if Veteran Treatment Court is down here? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get Veterans Treatment Court. Not necessarily gonna place you in Veterans Treatment Court if you don't want it. But if for some reason you're not able to be accepted into that program, they'll be able to give you different type of programs for outreach.
Is this an offense that qualifies? That's why I didn't,
Oh,
I wasn't
Yeah.
sure that, okay.
they do a lot on case by case basis.
Okay.
All right. So do you have any help at home with the baby or anything?
So I'm dealing with a CPS case that is currently, to kind of mitigate some of the symptoms that I have, like with my anxiety and depression. I smoke marijuana. And so I kind of got into trouble with that because I ended up having my daughter at home 7 months ago and they made me go to the hospital. And one of the questions that they asked was, could I smoke marijuana? I had been working on a medical marijuana card prior to me being arrested, but I did get my medical marijuana card. So that's why I wanted to make sure, like during the probation, would that be an issue? Because I do have my medical marijuana card.
No, just make sure that you give that to your probation officer. So that won't be an issue and your attorney can help you get that to him. All right. All right. So does she have any type of priors or no?
I don't believe she has any criminal history, Judge.
No criminal history?
No.
Right. So it seems like on this day, everything just converged.
It was a bad day, Judge. She found out she had a warrant for an unrelated case due to leaving court early is my understanding. So she was having difficulty at that time.
Which court was that? They said she left.
7 or 13, one of the two family violence courts. And she didn't have her wallet. She took a can of Coke. Her wallet was outside. So unfortunately, she took the can of Coke out and then she had the money to pay for it. And then that's what happened.
Well, I was having a bad day. My body suit had broken. Officer Wilson, he's a nice officer, and he came and said, "Miss Adams, you can't walk around like that." He gave me the paperwork to go home. So after I went home, I didn't go home. I had to go sit at a McDonald's while I was with my spouse waiting because we only had one vehicle. After that, I walked over to the 7-Eleven to grab me a Coke. I realized I left my wallet. But before all of that happened, they called me and said I had a warrant out for my arrest because I only came in one court. And so I was stressed out that day. I'm like, man, I've been dealing with these bail bondsmen. I've been communicating with you guys. I got arrested when it was the other way around, but grabbed the Coke, me and him get into a physical altercation. He said, I was trying to steal the Coke. I explained to him, my wallet is at the McDonald's next door. Can I please grab it? He grabbed the Coke. I went back to McDonald's, grabbed my wallet, came back, tried to pay for the Coke. He told me to get the F out the door. And I said, I started knocking over a couple pieces of candy, and that's when he called the cops and they came and arrested me. So originally, when I took the Coke out of the store, he didn't call the police. He just told me to leave. But just so I could show good faith that I wasn't trying to steal the Coke, I was just having a messed up day. I came back in there, I can pay for it, and that's when I had called a retaliation.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. Let's do a referral to BTC. Again, it's for them to talk to you. If you decide that's not a program that will be helpful to you, it'll be completely up to your decision. If they want to accept you, just listen and you can talk to them with your attorney and see if that will be a good fit for you. But I think if you're accepted, it will be a good program because one, they'll be able to help you. Perhaps if you want to also transfer to and help you with any other issues that are happening. So referral to VTC, CPS compliance, field visits 1 time per month until further notice. This is to run concurrent with 2025 PF 40428, which is also 2025 CC 014365. Take into consideration 2025 CR 010957, 150 hours of community service restitution, I'm gonna order parenting classes. Once parenting classes are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. If they're requiring you to do parenting classes on the CPS side, that will count for the parenting classes that I'm requesting. MIC evaluation out of custody. Are you receiving any help through Center for Healthcare Services or anyone?
In regards to services, what do you mean?
Mental health.
Any mental health services?
The VA.
All right. So there's to be continued mental health treatment through the VA. And I'm sorry, with the community service hours, once parenting classes are completed, 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied once anger management is completed. And there's to be no contact with 7-Eleven convenience stores. So you're gonna have to go to somewhere other than 7-Eleven. Probation, is there anything else? I'm just asking them if there's anything else. Proof of employment within 60 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Is there anything else? Of course I did not, but I appreciate you covering for me. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person and regular random UAs, or she can do a patch. Your attorney will explain to you what the patch is. And she does have, she says a marijuana card, so she'll be giving that to you. Is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Can't think of anything at this time.
All
But
right,
I will say this, Judge.
yes.
While I have been on house arrest, some of the girls, while I was incarcerated, told me that you had a YouTube channel, so I got an opportunity to watch a couple of your videos.
Okay. So, and I hope that means that this wasn't, I always tell people, court, yes, can be a scary place, but hopefully people will become educated about what happens in court, how to dress appropriately, how to respond appropriately. So you're currently on GPS?
Yes.
And is that through this court?
Yes, sir.
All right, state, do you have any objection to removal of GPS? All right, and remove GPS. All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, call your probation, let them know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back here and address it with me, all right? All right, good luck. And somebody from Veterans Treatment Court will come down and speak with her.
We're gonna go handle the county court too, and we'll be right back up.
All right, thank you.